Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a brand new plugin demo for you today, and it's on a plugin called Duplicate Post. Now, this is a plugin that I use on essentially all of my WordPress installations, and I believe it almost extends the functionality of WordPress, and I'd almost be happy enough to have this in core as it's a very simple and easy to use plugin. So what the plugin does is it allows you to very easily clone or duplicate your existing content to get an identical copy of that content. So I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So let's jump into my WordPress backend for my test website. And you can see here that I already have the plugin installed and activated. Now, if I switch over to my pages menu, you can see that I already have the default, WordPress sample page. And what the plugin does is it adds two new options to this hover menu. And it gives me the clone action and the new draft action. Now, these are both fairly similar, and I'm going to be showing you what they do. So let's go ahead and click clone. And what it's going to do is it's going to create a new draft of that sample page, and it's going to be exactly identical. So you're going to get the same title, the same author, the same metadata, everything that you would expect you would have in that new draft. Now, if I click the new draft button, it's going to do a very similar function, except rather than just duplicating it, it's actually going to throw me into the post editor, allowing me to go ahead and change anything I can about that post like you usually would. So I can go ahead and change the featured image, I can change the content, I can change the title obviously, and I can go ahead and publish it. So let's go ahead and do that. And it's going to go back into my pages menu once I go ahead and click that. So now you can see here that I have the original copy of the page, the cloned copy, and the new draft copy. So it really depends on how you want to use the functionality. If you just want to go ahead and create a clone and not have to worry about it and possibly change that at a later date, you would use the clone option. If you wanted to create that duplicate page and then edit it straight away, you would use the new draft option. So that's essentially it. That's the whole plugin. Obviously, like I said earlier, it does work with posts as well. So if I go to my posts, you can see I've been playing with it already, and it does the same functionality. I can clone the post, I can create a new draft, so on and so forth. The only other thing that you might be interested in is obviously the settings. So if I go to the settings now, you can see that it does have quite a few settings, but nothing too crazy, just allowing you to kind of change and tweak the functionality as you see fit, which is always nice, as you don't have to touch the code to kind of change how the functionality works. So that's it, guys. I hope you find this plugin useful. Like I said, I use it on all my WordPress installations, and I hope you can find a use for it too. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next episode.